My name is Tim Vang. I am 21 years old and I'm from Fresno, California. Music is everything to me. Let's say if music were to die out, I'd probably die with it because it's been in my life for so long, and it's like my child, I guess, or a close friend or something like that. I mean, if music was a person, I'd marry that person. That's what music means to me. I've been singing since I was in the 2nd grade, so 8 years old, around there. And if you ask my family, I just could not shut up when I was little. I was singing, whether off note or off key, I was singing because I just did it. So since then and now, that's how long I've been singing. I would like to go for anything, because in the music industry, if you can sing any type of genre, you can basically, go pretty far. But I find that my strengths are in ballads, and so yeah, I can do anything. There's Josh Groban, there's Clay Aiken, there's Leigh Michelle, there's Carrie Underwood, there's Celine Dion, there's some overseas people too that I probably won't mention. And those are all my idols, I guess, the people I look up to, because they sing really well, and when I hear them sing, I just want to sing as well as them. This is my first year at the mic for 2013, and it's like my first official audition for anything like music thing. So it's a really great experience, and I'm glad that there's an opportunity like this, especially for the Hmong community, because we are growing. And there's a lot of people out there who have talents that have not yet been discovered. I'm Tim Vang, I'm 21 years old. My number is 11. Come out and support, it's gonna be great.